Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Park, shut off the car, and set the parking brake. Once done, put on safety glasses and gloves so sparks or acid won't hurt you. Locate the negative battery terminal, usually black and stamped with a minus sign. Make sure you have the correct tool, commonly a 10 mm socket or wrench. Why? A snug fit prevents rounding the nut and makes removal safe and quick. Loosen the nut just enough to break contact. Don't fully remove it yet. Now you loosen the clamp nut until the clamp can pivot and lift clear of the post. You want to avoid twisting the cable, rock the clamp side to side, or use a small terminal puller if stuck. Once free, lift the cable up and away and secure it so it cannot touch the battery post. Use a non-conductive prop or tape. This prevents accidental reconnection. Check for white or green corrosion. Clean with a brush and neutralizer if you'll reinstall later. Finish by ensuring the negative clamp is physically separated and won't fall back onto the post. Store tools off the battery. If the terminal won't budge, apply a penetrating oil to the joint, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then try again with careful rocking. This breaks corrosion bonds without excessive force. Make sure to replace any cracked or heavily corroded clamps rather than forcing repair. If you see extensive damage, swap the cable or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.